Paano gumamit ng FOIL method? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Uy, baka ibang FOIL yung nasa utak mo. So, kapag magmumultiply tayo ng dalawang binomial, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. So, ano ibig sabihin ng FOIL? Yung F sa FOIL ay first term. So, ano naman yung O? Yung O is outer. Ano naman yung I? So, yung I naman is inner term. And lastly, yung L. So, yung L naman is last term. So, ayan yung ibig sabihin ng mga letters sa FOIL. So, yung first term is ito yon, yung 2x tsaka yung x. Sila yung nasa gilid nung parenthesis. And yung outer naman, sila yung mga nasa pinakagilid nung dalawang parenthesis, which is yung 2x tsaka yung 5. And yung inner, sila naman yung pinaka nasa loob. So, 3 and x. And yung last term naman is yung nandun sa right side nung dalawang binomial, which is yung 3 at saka yung 5. So, tara, isolve natin to gamit yung FOIL method. So, una muna yung first term. So, ito yun, 2x times x. So, 2x times x is 2x squared. So, kapag nakakita kayo ng gantong x na walang kasamang number, meron niyang invisible na 1 sa gilid. So, next naman yung outer term. So, ito yun, 2x times 5. So, 2x times 5 is positive 10x. So, next naman is yung inner term. So, ito yun, 3 times x is 3x. And lastly, yung last terms, so ito yun, 3 times 5. So, 3 times 5 is positive 15. And then, after natin gamitin yung FOIL method, pwede na nating i-combine yung like term. So, yung like term lang dito is 10x and 3x. So, 10x plus 3x is 13x. And bring down natin yung mga natira. So, 2x squared plus 13x. And then, yung plus 15. So, wala na tayong nakikitang like term. And di naman natin pwede ipag-combine yung x squared and x since may squared yung isa. Ayun na yung answer. Ikaw nga, try mo nga to.